Hello guys, YouTubers. Yeah, this is my first time to upload the video for replacing lower ball joint of Hyundai Tucson 2006 model. So they were just doing like this. So this one with this broken ball joint and totally damaged. So this is how they take it out. They just hammer it this very hard. So as you can see, like this one and the other one is like is on the other side. So left and right lower ball joint, as you can see, broken. And probably this one I need to replace, but anyway, this one first. So YouTubers, Hyundai Tucson 2006 model, and I will show you later when they are going to replace it.